You have the option to create a video for your assignment, which is exciting, but you might not be sure where to begin. Making videos can be a challenge, but it's also a very rewarding experience with a great final product to share. This video will go through a process for making videos and provide some suggestions. First, you need an idea. Ask yourself what you want to talk about, or if there's a story you want to tell through your video. Once you have an idea, try to figure out how you want to share it. Educational videos on the internet vary greatly in length, content, and style. Maybe there are some educational videos that you particularly enjoy. Try to figure out what makes these videos good. Once you have an idea and a vague plan, it is time to research. The more resources you can pull information from, the better you will be able to understand your topic and explain it. Make sure that all the resources you use are credible and as accurate as possible. As you research, keep a list of all your sources so that you can cite them in your video. When you feel that you understand your topic well, it is time to start writing. You can research and write at the same time or complete each step individually. Your video will need a beginning, middle, and end, but it does not need to be as formal as an essay. The great thing about video assignments is that you have an opportunity to make your unique voice shine through. You may decide that instead of writing a whole script, you just want to use bullet points and freestyle most of the audio narration. Use whatever method makes you feel the most comfortable and confident. However you decide to arrange your video, having a hook at the beginning, such as an interesting fact or a brief explanation of what you will cover in the video, is important to draw your viewers into the video and make them excited about your topic. As you write, be aware of how long your script is. Not every interesting detail you find needs to be included in your audio. Sometimes there's just too much information and it's best to focus on the quality of your writing. Another item to keep in mind is how fast you talk. Do you prefer videos where the creator speaks quickly or slowly? Remember that some learners may need words to be spoken clearly and moderately paced. After completing your script, you should edit and revise it. Check that your points are concise and clear, and that your intended audience can understand the flow of your video. Rereading your script aloud can help you to notice errors, and if someone else can proofread or read your script to you, that can help you catch mistakes. Once your script is complete, it is time to storyboard. Storyboards are drawings or short explanations demonstrating scene by scene how you want the video to go. These are a good tool for planning and layout, and they enable other people to see your vision. By showing someone else your storyboard, you can receive feedback before going into the production stage. Next, you need to record yourself. A regular built-in microphone can create great recordings if you record in a quiet and non-reverberant place. Try to stay 15 to 30 centimeters away from the mic, and stand or sit straight so that you have good breath support, which makes your voice stronger and clearer. There are many ways to produce a video. You can choose from many styles of animation, film yourself talking or drawing, and more. Consider what resources you have available, what your skills are, and how much time you have to make the video. You can find graphics and images online. Just make sure that they're in the public domain or that you have a license to use the images. You can also make your own graphics in free online programs, or you can take your own photos and videos. Any phone camera or webcam works for filming videos, and there are a variety of free animation software programs available. Scroll down to the description for a list of programs for making videos. When you've finished recording and editing your video, it is time to share it. If your video is for school, your teacher may want a specific format. Otherwise, uploading your video to YouTube or Google Drive is a good choice, as both programs generate links that are easy to share. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this video helps you to get started at creating your own videos. Feel free to tag Pinghua on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram to share your creations with us.
Pinghua